Susan. Today I'm participating in Twinchie Tuesday, and it is hosted by Jenn at Sassy Southern North Carolina Girl. So I hope everybody is doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Be sure and check out Jenn's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag Twinchie Tuesday. I've got, I don't know if y'all remember, back when scrapbooking was so popular, I used to have the little sticker books that had all of these. So I want to do something with these. But with this paper that I got from my friend Linda from Lenny P's Place, I thought it looked very tropical, beachy. So that's what I decided to do. So I'm going to start off first by rounding the corners, and I'm just going to use that little tiny one here. I hope everybody's doing good. I did finish my book, and it was Mrs. Endicott's Splendid Adventure. And it was by, I think, Rise. I think it's R-H-Y-S. And I thought it was Brown, but it's Bowen. And it was really good. It ended well. And I really enjoyed reading it. And now I am starting a new book that sounded interesting, and it's called The Wizard's Butler. So I thought that one would be fun. It sounded interesting. I've only gotten a few pages in. All right, so we got that. So now I'm just going to add in a few embellishments along the way. So we have got beach ball. This would be fun for a summer journal. And maybe a shell. Here's a green shell. And maybe this sun. Okay. This one's going to be very simple. All right, we have, see, the umbrella would be too big, so maybe we can go with the flip-flops. And we have got some green flip-flops. And add that. Maybe a bottle of suntan lotion and a little bit of sand here. Oops, probably should be using my tweezers. Okay, now we can do a bucket. And some sand. If I get the sand off, there we go. And a shovel. And now we can add maybe drink. Oops. Maybe a few fish. And put the sand here. Well, although the fish are floating up in the air, we'll call them flying fish. How about that? And we'll see, we'll add some more suntan lotion. Okay. And I do have, I could add another sun here. Add another shell here. And I think that's it. All right. Now I'm just gonna go around the edge just to frame it out. I don't really want a huge distress, but I do want it to be framed. Make it pop. Okay. It's fun to use up these stickers. I've had these, I know, probably 25 years or more. All right. Okay, we've got that. And I am going to take my gel pen and I'm just going to outline these so that they all pop from the background. Take off my glasses so I can see. I can't see up close with my glasses on. I am way overdue. Okay. That just makes them pop from the background. This is my least favorite just because the fish are flying, but that's okay. And we got our lemonade. Okay. And we will go around with our flip-flops. Whoops. Well, I'm not doing such a good job on the flip-flops. I love getting a good book. My husband and I are still watching Elementary. And I'm watching NCIS, and I've been watching Marple and Hercule Poirot from the old shows. They're on Hulu now. I used to watch them on PBS, I believe it was. I love Agatha Christie. I used to watch these. There's a few movies of Agatha Christie's on Hulu too I need to look into. I watched the recent ones, or at least the first one of the Orient Express. I read the books, of course. And that had the well, I can't think of his name, but he played in the second Harry Potter film. But he was Hercule Poirot. But he played Gilderoy in that Harry Potter. I think I'm going to add some sand there. Yeah, the Christie has a way of fooling you. It's hard to figure out hers. I love a good murder mystery. There we go. I like the way those look. And I am just going to add some of these flowers. For fun. I like the glittery ones. Like that. We'll get a glittery one in there and see what else. Not all of these are glittery. And maybe put down here. Got that empty space. I feel like I want something there. Maybe I ought to stick with a sticker. To fill that. There we go. And now all I have to do is add my flowers. My glue doesn't want to come out. There we go. Much better. Oh, I really would love to see the beach. Although now they keep showing pictures of seaweed, bad smelly seaweed in some places, and shark bite, people getting bitten by sharks in others. So I don't know. I think I got them all. Well, I think they're kind of cute. I don't know if I'll get a summer journal made this year, but I'm sure I'll have one in my future sometime. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber, I sure would appreciate it. It wouldn't cost you anything. And be sure and hit that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. This is such a fun little challenge. I really like it. It's simple. And be sure and check out Jenn's channel at Sassy Southern NC Girl. And check out the hashtag Twinchie Tuesday. A lot of my friends are participating in this, and it's fun to see what everybody comes up with. So y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.